Hey guys, Brad here. I am doing this video to tell you a little about the PWA, Partner with Anthony program. Listen, this is a new program created by Anthony Morrison, and I must tell you it is life-changing. I have been through the program myself, and in a little over a week I've learned more about online marketing than I have in all my years of trying, and not just that, I have made money for the first time. And man, I just had to tell somebody, so I figured why not tell you, people, who are just like me, trying to make money online and maybe like me wasted lots of money buying all kinds of internet marketing products. In fact, I'll show you my JVZoo account, and you'll see things I have purchased. You see, I wasn't kidding. I could go on, but you get what I mean. However, now let me show you a little of what's inside of the PWA program and some of what you will be learning inside. I hope it's alright with Anthony, but seeing is believing, so have a look. There, awesome, right? So, if you are anything like I was, and you want to know more about PWA, the Partner with Anthony program, click the link below. And don't worry about the cost, believe me, you won't believe it.